Make a layer copy of this image. Unlock, right click, duplicate. Click OK. Pick a quick selection tool. Click Select Subject. Right click, Layer via Copy. Go back to Layer Copy. Select Subject. Right click, click Content Where Fill. Click OK. Then deselect. Go back to the first layer. Pick Type tool. Click once. Enter your text. Change color to any color of your choice. Go to Edit, Free Transform, or you can hold Ctrl+T on your keyboard. Make a copy of your text. Right click, duplicate layer, click OK, or you can just hold Ctrl+J on your keyboard to make a copy. Then move this layer below this image or this cutout. Go back to the first layer, change fill to 0. Right click on the first layer, go to Blend, Options, go to Stroke. I will change it to white, click OK, and I'll adjust the stroke size to 15, and that's fine. I will add some shadows on this image. Right click, go to Blend, Drop Shadow, Shadow Angle, I'll make sure it is 90 degrees, and size like so, and click OK. Lastly, I will select the first text layer and the second one. Then I will go navigate to the bottom of the layer panel and click Link Layers. Then I collapse the layer panel. So even if I try to move around this, the stroke and the base color of the text will move with it. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please, if you have found this helpful, don't forget, like, comment and subscribe. Peace.